Gusto or Paychex, two top names in payroll and HR, but when it really matters which one actually delivers, on the left Gusto, friendly payroll and HR for modern teams, and on the right Paychex, scalable payroll and HR for every stage. Let's skip the corporate buzz and see how these two really stack up. Each category scores points, so by the end you'll know exactly who comes out on top, and the winner just might surprise you. So before we jump in, quick overview. Here's our little mind map of categories we're going to compare these two on: pricing and transparency, ease of use, integrations, international and contractor support, customer support, compliance and security, and of course, all those fancy payroll and HR features. Let's get started. Alright, first up, pricing and transparency. Okay, let's chat about Gusto for a sec. I love how upfront their pricing is. It's all published, no games, and honestly, who wants surprises with payroll, right? There's no setup fee for the core stuff either, which is always a nice touch. Now Paychex goes the custom route, which can be great if you're a huge company and want special deals. But, and here's the catch, their pricing for advanced features is, a little murky. Fees kinda sneak up on you sometimes. Between these two, Gusto's transparency wins out hands down. Next, ease of use. Gusto's dashboard is, honestly, probably one of the easiest I've tried. If you're brand new to payroll, you just get this smooth onboarding and everything makes sense. The only little hitch: if your org is super complex, you might feel a bit boxed in. Then there's Paychex. They do a clear layout and they're built to scale, plus you do get help setting things up. Although, and I say this with love, if you're a really tiny business, there's kind of a lot thrown at you. So for sheer ease and chill vibes, gotta hand it to Gusto again. Let's talk integrations, where stuff gets fun. Gusto plays nice with over 200 different apps, especially strong if you're cozy with your accounting software. But when you level up to enterprise-grade connections, it sorta slows down. Now Paychex, okay, they integrate with 270 plus apps, including big guns like Oracle and Salesforce. That's crazy, but just know sometimes these integrations mean extra fees. So when it comes to power and flexibility, Paychex actually slides into first place here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Did you know Paychex was founded way back in 1971, long before payroll even thought about the cloud world? Wild, right? Moving on to international and contractor support. Gusto definitely checks off support for contractors in over 120 countries and offers employer of record in select spots. But its reach isn't super global if you're thinking really big. Flip to Paychex and wow, they go all out, partners with GP for coverage in 180 countries, plus legit international payroll and compliance. You don't get public pricing, which is a little meh, but honestly, for pure global firepower, Paychex totally takes it. Customer support, love it, need it. Sometimes it's a total pain. Gusto does US phone and global live chat 24/5, not bad, but the moment you step outside those hours or locations, support kinda drops off. Paychex, meanwhile, is living that 24/7 support life, plus you even get a dedicated payroll specialist. That's pretty baller. The only knock, if you're a smaller fish, you might wait a little longer, but overall, Paychex wins here by a mile. On to compliance and security. If you're dealing with payroll, you want to sleep at night, right? Gusto's got HIPAA and SOC 2 totally solid, but no NIST certification. Paychex, full set. SOC 1, SOC 2, even NIST 1.1, and their compliance guidance is seriously next level. So for all my security nerds, Paychex is the clear favorite. Last but never least, payroll and HR features. This one's actually a tie, which rarely happens. Gusto gives you automated taxes, W-2s, multi-state payroll, it's tight. Tons of integrated health and retirement perks too. Paychex swings in with dedicated HR specialists, epic benefits, and those advanced PEO options. Sure, some of the beefier HR stuff costs extra, but the basics are totally locked in on both. So if you're cool with their strengths, you really don't lose either way. Now let's zoom out and look at the big picture, like with a radar chart. Gusto really shines for small and mid-sized teams, especially with upfront costs and dead simple setup. But Paychex dominates those enterprise features: integrations, security, global support, non-stop customer help. At a glance, you see their strengths kinda complement each other. So throwing it all together, Gusto, perfect for startups, smaller businesses, anyone wanting a cheerful, headache-free payroll vibe and clear costs. Seriously, you could be set up in a day. But Paychex is your power move for scaling big, going global, needing advanced HR, or just wanting someone on call at 3 a.m. You can't really go wrong, but your winner totally depends on where your business is headed. Alright, if you made it this far, was this side-by-side actually helpful? Let us know. And if you're into deep dives like this, follow us so you never miss another tech showdown.